Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see how to manage and investigate alerts in Microsoft 365 Defender. So let me just quickly log on to the portal and take it from there. I am logged on to the portal, so I'll quickly go to Incident and Alert section. So we can manage alerts by selecting an alert in the Alerts queue or the Alerts tab of the device page for an individual device. So if I want to specifically look for alerts for an individual device, I will go under the device tab, but for all the alerts I will go under the alert like here. Okay, now how to manage an alert. If you click on an alert like this is the alert story. You maximize this, you will see the alert story here, and when you specify or highlight one specific alert or check this box, you can click on manage alerts, right? And then you can fill this data and the action included. You can set these data to new, resolved, or in progress. You can assign the alert, or you can classify the alert on the basis of true positive, informational, or false positive, and then you can add a comment. We can set the severity. If you see the severity of an alert, which is medium, it's in orange or amber. So alerts from endpoint detection and response, post breach behaviors that might be a part of an advanced persistent threat. This includes observed behaviors typically of attack stages, anomalous registry changes, execution of suspicious files, and so forth. Same way we have the different severity. High is for red, low is for yellow, informational is for gray. If you see this low, this is these are the alerts or threats associated with the prevalent malware. For example, hack tools, non-malware hack tools such as running exploration commands. Microsoft Defender antivirus and Defender for endpoint alert severities are different because they represent different scopes. Right, so the Microsoft Defender AV threat severity represents the absolute severity of the detected threat or malware and is assigned based on the potential risk to the individual device if infected. And Defender for endpoint alert severity represents the severity of the detected behavior and the actual risk to the device. And then most importantly, the potential risk to the organization. There are different categories of the alerts. If you want to customize columns, you can customize columns as well. You want to filter the alerts, you can do that. So these are the category for defense evasion, discovery, execution. Defense evasion is avoiding security controls. For example, turning off security apps, deleting implements, and running rootkits. Discovery is for gathering information about important devices. Execution is for launching the attacker's tools. So if you want to categorize certain alerts, you can do that. Then you can set the automated investigation state as well. We'll discuss it in coming videos. And if you want to link this alerts to another incident, you can also do that. So if you click on this alert details and you can classify it, this is attached to this incident. And if you want to suppress the alerts, there is an option. It says create suppression rule. What it does it, what would suppression do? There might be scenarios where you need to suppress alerts from appearing in Defender Security Center. Defender for endpoint will let you create suppression rules for specific alerts that are known to be let's say some of the processes are running it, or it is happening due to the tools. Suppression rules can be created from an existing alert. They can be disabled and re-enabled. When a suppression rule is created, it will take effect from the point when the rule is created. The rule will not affect existing alerts category, right? So you say select the alert type where conditions apply. Only this alert type. Scope is all organization. Any IOC action. you want to mark this alert, these kind of alerts as a result, then you can specify the condition here, and every ongoing alerts will be suppressed following this rule. All right, you can change the status of alert as well. You can do alert classification, and we all know how to do the alert investigation because we just discussed it in few videos. All right, so this is how we manage alerts in Microsoft 365 Defender. I hope this session was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.